Right, okay, we're at the bridge and we're in Rochdale, and it has a little car park to the side of it. It looks like a sweet shop or something on the corner there. It's closed at the moment, but that'd be interesting, wouldn't it, if it was up, man? You wouldn't keep me out of it.
So how did you get to find out about us?
Google search.
All right.
How long have you been here?
17 years.
17 years. And seen some changes then, I bet.
Seen a lot of changes, yeah.
Yeah. And how do you see the future of it?
Hopefully it'll carry on. Hopefully, yeah.
And what's your biggest issues?
It's the pricing. The pricing of everything has gone through the roof. And he just tried to keep it a bare minimum as possible. Because we are the cheapest in all round here now. Yeah. Where years ago we were the dearest.
Well, I suppose, I mean, you've not just got all the rising costs were here, you've got it when you go home.
Yep.
So all the staff have got it when they go home.
Yep.
So it's a terrible thing at the moment. And how do you feel about the reduction in cod quotas and haddock quotas?
Well, that's another thing. That's why price of fish has gone through the roof.
Yeah.
To be honest, to sell fish, it's not worth it. Out of a box, if somebody don't come to take two, profit's gone. But he can't keep putting the prices up because then you lose your customer.
And you try to make it up on other things then, aren't you?
You can. Everything. Every single item has gone through the roof. Yeah. A bag of peas in Corby for £4. I think they're about 18 now for exactly the same bag.
For decades, it's been a sort of a high volume, low profit kind of business. Yeah. Whereas, say, pizzas and kebabs, burgers, they're a high profit, if you like. You know, you can make a lot of money on a pizza.
Yes.
Even now.
At least with fish and chips, it's natural.
Yeah.
Kentucky and all that lot. No.
I spoke about this recently, and there's a lot of people who are concerned with what's in the supermarkets even.
Yeah. No, my husband works in slaughterhouses.
Yeah.
And I wouldn't trust any supermarket. Even Morrison's used to be the best since the Americans took over. You don't touch it down.
Yeah, well, you take care. It's been great speaking to you. So I'm Steve, and this is the Chippy Tour. And it's all about promoting and supporting our fish and chip shops nationwide. SwiftOrder are supporting me on this mission to celebrate real, independent chippies. They're a family-run company helping takeaways offer online ordering without paying commissions. So if you'd like to take orders online or you're fed up with paying high fees, SwiftOrder is an easy, reliable platform with one clear, low monthly cost. It's easy to use and it's backed by a UK support team that's always ready to help. We've got all kinds of things going on here. I'm going to break open these chips first so I can put a few on my plate, and we're going to dabble with a few things. My wife's ordered a cheese and onion pie. That's a huge portion of chips, just a regular chips.
And everyone will get to say.
I'm going to put a few on my plate here. My wife's going to wrap it. She's familiar with my Christmas presents and the birthday present you got that year. Do you remember? I might be going back a bit now. No? No. Got a spare fork there. You can never have too many. They were really friendly inside. So let's have a little look at this. My wife wants to get stuck into her cheese and onion pie. So I'd imagine it's this one. I'm good at guessing presents as well. Remember that present I got you? So we've got £16 for the lot of what we got here. This is a cheese and onion pie. So let's have a little look at that. I'm going to break a bit of that off, just a bit. So then my wife can get stuck into hers. They had a huge slab of them. A huge slab. A few trays, actually, of these pies. So they're obviously popular. But there's plenty of cheese going on. Let's have a little look. Yeah, we got that. Piping hot.
It's like your mum's.
Yeah, I'm going to say that. Sue just said then she's disappeared with the biggest part of it. She said it's a lot like my mum's. Now I think my mum makes the best cheese and onion pie in the world. And whenever she gets a chance, I always say to her, can you make us a cheese and onion pie? And she uses big chunks of onion. And it's nice and crusty, and it's about 2 inches thick. Right, so what have we got in here? We've got the fish. This is the cod. Okay, I'm going to slide that out onto there. It's not a massive portion, but it looks okay. That batter's very sweet. Maybe it's just the salt and the way they've made the batter. It's got a sweetness to it. It's okay. Can't place it. I'm normally pretty good like that, obviously. But in this case, I'm lost on it. The fish is nice. It's quite flaky. Like I say, it's not a big piece, but it's enough. The chips are really nice. They haven't just got that same sweetness to them. I asked for a bit of the chilli, just the chilli on its own without the rice. Okay. Very salty. A lot of people will say, what are you doing? Eating chilli at a chip shop. We do. That's what we do. In the north, I don't know about the south. I don't even know about the far north or Northern Ireland. But in Middle Earth, if you like, chilli is really popular. It really is popular in a lot of places. And I've had it before a few times on different reviews. And if it's going and it's a really cold day, I'll get it. They haven't got any rice. So I thought, well, I might as well just have it with these chips. Let me know. Do you order chilli? Do you frown upon it because it's on the list? I mean, is it a problem for you? Have you never heard of it before? But believe me, it's popular. Just not in every region. I've got used to that saltiness now. It is nice. It just took me by surprise there for a minute because I thought it was a bit salty. It's not very spicy. It's got a little bit of a kick, but I'm going to change that. I'm going to put Stokes habanero hot sauce on it. I shouldn't need much by right, should I? Just a few drops. I do like my hot sauce. It's got to be said. Try it on its own first. That's delicious. That's delicious. That's really livened that up. It really has. And I think I put just enough on there then. Let's look at some reviews. 3-star. Taste was okay, but too much oil. 5-star. First time visit on the way back to Blackburn. Excellent fish and chips. Will call again. Worth the extra miles. Mine. 4-star. Pulling up to the Chippy, it looked impressively large, although I was told the cafe restaurant side had been closed. Whether that will return one day, I have no idea. The takeaway side had plenty of room, and the staff were friendly and polite. I ordered the cod and chips. While the cod was not particularly large, it was fresh and full of flavour. Coated in a light, slightly sweet batter, the chips were crisp and plentiful. Their in-house cheese and onion pie was as close to how my mother makes hers as I've tasted, and it was delicious. My mum makes the best cheese and onion pie. I know I've said that already in the video, but I'm going to have to get her to make one. But she's past her mid-80s now, but she still gets about a bit. I ordered chilli to put on my chips, and although it was quite salty, I soon adjusted and added a little hot sauce I had with me. Overall, this is a nice chippy that must have been incredible in its day when the restaurant was running, and it would be great to see it return someday. Cooking in oil, cash or card, fish reviewed, cod. See you on the next one.
The Chippy Tour, cruising the coast, can't ignore. With every bite, I'm loving it more. Saving the Chippies, that's what I'm for. Yo, I hit the road, got salt in my veins. From London to Scotland, through sunshine and rain. Fish and chips in my hand, it's a noble quest. Supporting the classics, yeah, I'm doing my best. Met a bloke in Troon with a tempura squid.